Okay, Assalamu alaikum girls. So today I'll explain pie chart. Okay, what is pie chart? Pie chart is also one of the method to present a data in the form of a circle. Okay, in pie chart basically we present our data in the form of circle. So here I have taken one question from past paper. It's from November 2013, paper 2, question 2b. Okay, the question is, a service station sells diesel, unleaded and superleaded fuel. During 1 week, 13,500 liters of diesel and 36,000 liters of unleaded were sold. The total number of liters of fuel sold that week was 54,000. Draw the pie chart to represent this data. Okay. Then first of all, we will find the value of this unleaded fuel, because the value of diesel and the value of unleaded fuel is given in the question, but we don't have the value of unleaded fuel. We don't have value of unleaded fuel. Okay, we have value of diesel, value of unleaded fuel, but we don't have value of superleaded fuel. Okay, so first we will find the value of superleaded fuel. But we know that the total number of liters of the fuel sold that week was 54,000. So if we know the value of the total, we can find any value that is missing by subtracting the given two values from the total. So first we will find the value of superleaded fuel. Then we will find the areas of sector, angles of sector, and then we will plot pie chart. Okay. Okay, so the total is 54,000. The value of diesel is 13,500. The value of unleaded fuel is 36,000. So how we can find the superleaded fuel value? We will subtract these two from total. So here the total is 54,000. We will subtract 13,500 from this, as well as we will subtract 36,000 from this. Okay. It's 36,000. Okay, when we subtract these two values from 54,000, the remaining is 4,500. Okay, so the superleaded fuel value is 4,500. Okay, now we will find the value of angle of these sectors. Okay, so what is the formula of angle of a sector in pie chart? The angle of sector is equal to individual value divided by total multiplied by 360 degree. As we know that in a pie chart the total angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay, and a circle having 36 degree angle. Okay, so we will divide these values angle into 360. Okay, now if we find the angle of diesel, so what is the individual value of diesel? It's 13,500. We will divide it by total. Total is 54,000 and multiply by 360. As it is paper 2 question, so you can use calculator here, and when you simplify it, the angle is 90 degree. Okay, similarly we will find the angle of unleaded fuel. So the individual value of unleaded fuel is 36,000. We will divide it by total 54,000 and multiply by 360. So it's equal to 240 degree. Okay, here we are getting answer in degree. Now we will find the angle of the last, angle of superleaded fuel. Its individual value is 4,500, as we have done here. 4,500. We will divide it by total. Total is 54,000. and we will multiply it by 360. When you simplify it, the angle is equal to 30 degree. So here we have got the angles of all three. Okay, now we will discuss how we will plot the pie chart of these values. Okay, so the angle of diesel is 90 degree, angle of unleaded fuel is 240 degree, and the angle of superleaded fuel is 30 degree. Okay, now I will explain you how we will draw the pie chart. Okay, so to draw pie chart, first we need this protractor. Okay, compass, ruler, okay, and one pencil. First we will draw the radius of the circle. That radius of the circle will be depend on us. Sometime in the question the radius is already given, or maybe the circle is already drawn. We will just draw these angles on the circle. Okay, and one or two angle will be already drawn. This is also happen. Okay, but if nothing is drawn, then we will decide that what will be the radius of the circle. Okay, so as we know that the name of this topic is presentation of the data, so our data should be very presentable. So our circle should be in a way that it should represent all the angles in a proper way. Okay, so if I take 4 centimeter as the radius of the circle, I will draw the line of 4 centimeter. First, okay, here we have 4 centimeter line. Okay, it's radius of the circle. Now I'll keep my compass on this point. Okay, and I'll open it till this point. Okay, now I will draw a circle here. So as you see that I have drawn this circle. Now this radius line is our baseline. Sometimes this baseline is already drawn in the question, but here first we have drawn this baseline, and then with the help of this baseline we have drawn this circle. Now we will mark the first angle. The first angle of diesel is 90 degree. Then we will keep our protractor on this line. A center, this center, okay, should be on the center of the circle. Okay, and this 180 degree or 0 degree line should be on this line. Okay, so here we will keep. Okay, so you cannot see the line now because it hide at the back of this 0 degree line. Now the first angle is 90 degrees, so we will mark 90 degree angle. Okay, and then we will draw a straight line till the circumference of a circle and on the center. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay, and here we have the value of diesel. Okay, now when we draw the first angle, this angle line is our baseline. Now this first line was the baseline. Now when we draw this angle, this line is the baseline now. Okay, so we will draw next angle with the help of this baseline. Now the next angle is 240 degrees, so I'll keep my protractor like this. Okay, our center should be on the center of the circle, and this line should be at the back of this 0 degree. I kept it here. Angle is 240 degree. Okay, but as we know that our in protractor we have just 180 degree, then how we will draw this 240 degree? Okay, so to do this we can do one thing. We can draw this angle 30 degree from this side. Okay, and then the remaining angle will be 240 degree. Or first we will mark the line of 180 degree. When you mark 180 degree, then with the help of this imaginary line you will mark the remaining angle. If I draw this imaginary line, then how much is left from 240? If we have already drawn 180 degree, then how much is left? If we subtract 180 from 270, how much is left? It's 60 degree. So it means from this line we will mark more 60 degree to complete its 270 degree. Okay, now here we will draw this line. Okay, so this angle is 240 degree. Okay, and here we are having unleaded fuel. Now this last portion, remaining portion, should be equal to 30 degree. Okay, if it is not 30 degree, that means that you have done some mistake here. Okay, now if we just check this angle, see this line at the back of 30 degree line. Okay, so it means that the remaining angle is 30 degree. I told you that you can do one more thing, like first draw this 30 degree and the remaining angle will be 240. How you will draw the 30 degree and the remaining will be 240? You will keep your protector here. Okay, the center should be on the center and this line at the back of the 0 degree. Okay, and then you will mark 30 degree line. When you mark 30 degree, you will draw this line. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. Okay, and here it is representing superleaded. Okay, when it is representing super unleaded, so it means that the remaining angle is 240 degree now. Okay, so it's up to you, either draw this 30 degree first and the remaining angle will be 240 degree, or first mark 180 degree and with the help of this line you will mark the remaining angle, that is 60 degree. Okay, so it's up to you. So this is how we will plot pie chart. I hope you have understood this. I have uploaded a worksheet of pie chart on the Google Classroom. Check that worksheet. It has 2 questions and I want you to complete those questions and send me the picture of the pie chart. Thank you so much, girls.